Yo, what is going on, guys? I just wanted to show you guys quickly the ideal setup for the day using my strategy and how it could have gotten you 23 RR and 230 points using my exact strategy. So as you guys can see right here, this was the area of liquidity that caused the reversal. This was the New York AM low. And as you guys can see, we had this big selling pushing in. And then right after that, we got even more buying power, which caused a massive leg up right here, right at the New York Open. So what you would be looking for right here after this got swept is entering about 5 points below the sweep. This would have been a 10-point stop loss with a 230-point TP. However, this trade would not have been taken purely off of a liquidity sweep. You also want to look at Bookmap and see what that looks like. So as you guys can see right here, I have this New York AM low drawn out here, and we have this liquidity sweep that I drew out. So after we got the liquidity sweep, you can see that we had 294 sellers, which was a lot of sellers for that time, and no continuation downwards. This means that there's more passive buyers in the markets absorbing the aggressive sellers. So the sellers were putting in a lot of effort, but were not getting any reward for it. This can usually cause a reversal, and this was an ideal setup for the day. Right after the sweep, we had a reversal, and TP ended up getting hit in about 1 hour. If you guys are interested in learning more on how to use OrderFlow and Bookmap to incorporate into your trades and gain an edge in the markets, comment Discord in the comment section, and I will invite you guys to the Discord.